Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wheatgrass powder. First, harvest your wheatgrass when it's about 6 to 8 inches tall, cutting the blades just above the soil line. This ensures you get the most nutrient-rich part of the plant. After harvesting, give the wheatgrass a good rinse under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. This initial cleaning step is crucial for a pure final product. Next, it's time to extract the juice. For the best results and to preserve nutrients, use a slow masticating juicer. Feed the clean wheatgrass into the juicer, collecting the vibrant green liquid. Once juiced, strain the fresh wheatgrass juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or fibers, leaving you with a smooth, pure liquid. Now, we'll dehydrate the juice. Carefully spread the strained wheatgrass juice thinly and evenly onto dehydrator trays. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, ideally around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the enzymes and nutrients. Continue drying until the juice transforms into a brittle, dark green sheet that easily breaks apart. This step concentrates all the goodness. Finally, let's make it powder. Break the brittle, dried wheatgrass sheets into smaller pieces, then transfer them to a high-speed blender. Grind these pieces into a very fine, consistent powder. For a fresh car scent, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Store your finished wheatgrass powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness for months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.